Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the API key and a basic HTML page. Start now by not embedding secrets in client files. First, create a server endpoint that stores the key in an environment variable and returns only needed data. Once done, add a simple HTML button and a script tag to trigger a fetch call to your endpoint. Make sure to enable CORS on the endpoint or use a same origin proxy so the browser can request data safely and without exposing credentials. You will implement the core fetch logic next. In your client script, use async/await to call the server endpoint, await the JSON response, and check response. OK before accessing data. Include headers like authorization on the server side and content type on requests. Do not put authorization in client code. Once you receive data, toggle a loading indicator, then render results into the DOM with text content or safe templating. This keeps UI responsive and reduces XSS risk while explaining why each step matters. You're at the finish line. Finalize by adding error handling and retries and implement exponential backoff for transient errors. Make sure the server returns clear status codes and sanitized messages. On the client, present friendly errors and suggestions. Once complete, test the full flow in incognito and on another network to catch credential, CORS, or certificate issues. If requests fail, inspect Network tab, verify server end variables, and check API quota. These steps quickly reveal common misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.